Hi, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about how to make a hacking effect in my mission. So in movies, if you see people used to do some kind of an hacking in movies, developers used to write some code on the fly and that too without any errors. And in the very first attempt, the access will be get granted for the hacker by the system. So how this effects happen? So some random words will be get typed in the terminal and suddenly it will say access granted and some progress bar will come. So such effect how I can do just in 3 lines of code. So in Python, and that's what I'm going to show you. And before just to get your interest a lot towards the video, I'm going to run this code first, and you can see there is something happens. So some content is getting typed here, and I can just act like I'm clicking something in my keyboard, just like that I can do, so that people will believe me that I'm doing some kind of an hacking and very fast I'm typing something. So something like that you can do. And just to I did some prank with this program with my friend. I have just executed this Python code in my friend laptop, and all of a sudden I called him and said like something is happening here, someone has hacked your system, something is happening in background. And he was literally for 2 to 3 seconds, he was like, he really believed me actually. So then he understood, okay, I did something. So that way I did a prank and it was really great actually. So even you can try. And now let's see like how to do this. So this is completely achieved with something called the typewriter effect. I'm going to show you the 3 lines of code here. And before that, I declared a variable string, and within this you can see it's a multi-line string. So that's why I just added three double quotes. And you can see, so this is what the content which I have just copied from internet, some random content. Even you can copy it from internet, some paragraphs, and in between you can add some numbers, and in between you can add some permission granted, access granted, something like that you can add in between. And if you see, I'm just writing an iteration loop for each. So it's a for each loop. So letter is something, a variable I'm giving for each loop, and in string. So string is nothing but the content. And then sleep. So sleep is like you can see here. Let me rerun the code again. If I run, so it's like someone is typing, right? The speed of each letter that get printed in the terminal. So that is the speed that I'm giving with the sleep command. You can increase and decrease the speed actually. So it's 0.01 seconds. So that is the frequency in which each of the letters are getting printed in my terminal. Okay. And then I'm using std out, and this is like your system. So I'm importing that actually here, and then I'm importing the time and sleep packages which is required for this code. And std out, so why I'm using std out? So even I got a question like, why can't we use print statement for this? But the thing is, with the std out only, you will be getting the effect of typewriter effect, right? So but if you go for print statement, so whatever you give, the complete string will get printed at one shot. It is not going to be like someone is typing. It won't be in that way, right? So it will be like in one shot you will be getting the content. So that's why I'm not using print statement here. So I'm using std.write and then letter. So you will be getting the type rating effect, and then I'm just flushing it. So flush is all about whatever the content that gets ready by the write command. It has to be get flushed immediately in 0.01 second. So that is what. So and it's all completed with just 3 lines of code, and you can do the same, and you can prank your friend by executing this code. And one extra thing, what I thought of adding it is, I just wanted to add a color for the font as a green color, because in movies, if you see, people used to go with the green color font, right? But I tried, but yeah, there is a code available, but I was not able to integrate it as of now for the time being. So but you can try, so that it will be more what to say, it will be more real, right? So just have a try and have a fun. And thanks for watching. And if you really like this video, please do subscribe channel and forward this to your friends and colleagues. And we do a lot of videos in different languages. Just go ahead and check my channel, and give us your support by sharing my videos in your LinkedIn profile, so that I will be getting more reach. And that's one request from my side. So thanks for watching.